Welcome to Switch It Up. This is a special edition. As you can see, behind us is Convoy of Hope. And we thought it was imperative that we tried to break into our normal, sharing our adventures, to share a little bit of heart on something that we've been working on now for a little over a year to build relationships between Switch It Up, the Switch crew, and Convoy of Hope, and helping disaster relief across the United States.
Yeah, as you all know, there's just been a lot, just terrible disasters across the United States, from Texas to New Jersey, New Mexico, not to even mention last year, and we're not even to hurricane season yet. We are in Springfield, Missouri.
Which is the headquarters.
Is their world global headquarters.
And we were
Convoy.
here, when were we here? Like maybe not even a few months back. We did a full tour, and we can link that video for you to see the whole operation of Convoy of Hope. If you're new to the channel, you have to understand that our mission statement, we are a movement of people coming together to inspire others, create community, and impact the world. And Convoy of Hope seemed to work into the mission statement as we were doing our givebacks on all of our huddles. We wanted something that we could have a further, bigger outreach for you as an RVer traveling across the United States, or as a person that just wants to help out. So the partnership was, I guess, hatched when Sheila found them a long time ago, and we have now sunk in a lot of time going to every single one of their distribution centers and allowing us to see how the whole operation works.
They are actually, to us, we just have this dream and this goal that RVers, we are self-contained, we are mobile, we have a heart to give back, and how cool would be was we just join forces together to be able to make a difference and to give back to people all across the United States. So that is a mission that we are on. We're putting the pieces together, and in fact we are here because we were supposed to do a disaster relief training this week with our crew to train some leaders. But we've had to push that to the fall as that disaster team has been pushed out throughout.
As you can see, they're at the flooding in Texas right now.
Crazy thing is I heard about the Texas flooding, woke up that morning, was reading about it, and within like three hours, I got an email saying that they were already en route. Like, they are rapid responding just to help just give some hope to those people that are being impacted. So we're here because we were going to do training. We're moving our training now to October. Another thing that we have is we are doing a project as a crew. We have a volunteer team that is going to help with some rebuild efforts that Convoy is doing with Hurricane Helene from last year. So in November, we have a group of people that's going to be hands and feet, boots on the ground, cleaning, building, whatever that the Convoy needs us to do. But we need to raise some additional funds in order to do that, because we need project supplies. We need the convoys coming out. We'll provide lunches for our volunteers.
This is kind of like a testing ground for us as Switch crew, or anyone that's watching this. And that means that they have never worked in the capacity with RVers before. And that means that we're coming up with this new program where RVers themselves, us, we can, since we are self-contained, we could roll into a disaster environment, maybe hold up into like a Home Depot parking lot. We can circle up, we can have our own food because we're used to doing our own cookouts anyway. And we have the RV that has the LED wall that can show where we can go and what we can do. And we can communicate with Convoy of Hope, so we don't have to stay with them. So us as RVer in the community have a unique situation that we can partner with. Now, forming this relationship has been very difficult to get all the stuff in ducks in a row.
Actually, I don't know that it's been difficult.
Yeah, because they're great to work with.
They are so great to work with. They're just so hospitable. They're so great to have us. They're excited about the partnership. But there is a lot of details.
There's a lot of moving parts.
A lot of moving parts. We've been, just working with every department about how can we best mobilize, how can we be the voice and help mobilize the RV community to help with Convoy, what they've got going on. There's donations for the Texas flooding going on. We will put a QR code for that. We are forming our volunteer teams. We've got training going on, but we really are asking also if you could just help with the project funds that we have a need for, that donation goes right to Convoy of Hope.
It does not come to Switch It Up.
Yep. There's a link on our website, and we'll put a link here. Every dollar is going to help us get to that project goal, to be able to help those people. Like once the massive disaster, like the flooding is over and there's still just destruction left behind. People's lives have been turned upside down. They are living in camps and they don't have a home, and we're going back. Yeah, they're still that takes so long. And so we're coming in on the backside in Asheville to help with that. And you can help us by just coming together financially to support the project that we've got going on.
And what they're doing very specially for Switch It Up, Switch Crew, is we realize that not everyone has the funds to actually come and help and pay their way and things like that. And it does have costs associated if they have to buy paint and boards and all of the sheetrock and all of that stuff. So those costs will go into a fund. Now, if that fund is say $10,000 and you are all generous and raise $20,000, the additional funds will stay there into that fund so we can help in additional areas down the road. It's a really unique situation that we've been able to come up with that we can all participate and help.
Yeah, because it is, we are headed in after shooting this video to discuss, we've got plans for the United Rally, we've got plans now, we're going to be going to Texas, so we're making those plans, and so all of those funds that you donate will be able to stay in that Switch It Up RV community fund to help us as we give back to everybody that's been just affected by these storms.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Now, Switch It Up as a community, we're still going to do our givebacks in local places when we do our huddles and our crew campouts, things like that when we want. It's just we needed something that's a bigger partner because we've had so many of you reach out to RV with a purpose. And
Absolutely.
That's exactly what we're doing, is we're trying to give a little more purpose for us as we all are out here, just kind of getting to see the country and able to help when we can.
Yeah, because we can.
Yeah.
You guys have amazing gifts and abilities, skill sets that we can just help other people. And we're just excited to be kind of that piece that just connects us together and moves us forward.
Yeah. Now, if you're wondering about the app, download the app, because the app is, we've been working tirelessly to try to find a way that if a disaster happens and you're on the map, that we can do a push notification to, several hundred miles to notify anyone that's on the app and the crew that wants to help, that we're working on this system that can help in disaster relief. No matter if you're from California all the way to Florida, the app is essential with this idea. Along with that, you get discounts from like possibly RV parks, you get discounts from some of the brand sponsors. There's lots of things in the app in seeing our latest videos. But we are working behind the scenes with this key component to try to make sure that we can integrate all of these different aspects. It's a lot, people.
It is.
It's a lot.
The first thing we have to do is get people trained.
Yes.
And so that's why we're here.
Come train, donate.
All the things.
Maybe come and help with one of the projects.
Absolutely. We'd love to connect you, connecting the RV community with Convoy of Hope.
Isn't this great?
It's a great.
And I don't think I could fit an LED wall that big on the front of our RV, but
it would be the side. We could just put it on the side. It's like a sidewall.
Yeah, our slides wouldn't be able to come out, but that's all. It's a whole different thing. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry we're breaking into the normalcy of RV life, but we felt like this is super important and casting a little vision so we can kind of do something that does impact the world.
Absolutely. We just ask that you guys continue to just pray for those that are being affected.
Absolutely.
Right? Like there's a lot of hurt going on, and we can help them with a little bit of hope.
That was a good way to end it. A little bit of hope.
A little bit of hope.